Vanakkam. I'm Bala and welcome back to Tamil Wellness Journey. With the joyous Navaratri celebrations here, it's the perfect time to talk about how we can stay energized, healthy and balanced throughout the 9 days of celebration. Whether you're fasting or not, these wellness tips will help you make the most of this auspicious time. During Navaratri, many people observe fasting or choose sattvic foods. Focus on light, nutritious meals like sundal, fruits, kuttu, buckwheat, and sabudana, tapioca. These foods are easy to digest, high in protein, and give you lasting energy throughout the day. Hydration is key during Navaratri, especially if you're fasting. Make sure to drink plenty of water to keep your body cool and aid digestion. You can also enjoy buttermilk or coconut water for added hydration. Even during the festive season, staying active is important. Incorporate light yoga or simple stretches to keep your energy flowing. If you're fasting, stick to gentle movements and take time for meditation to balance your body and mind. With all the excitement of Navaratri, it's important to rest and recharge. Take a short nap during the day or enjoy a cup of herbal tea to refresh your body for the evening celebrations. Remember, Navaratri is a time for both celebration and wellness. By following these simple tips, you can stay energized, healthy, and fully enjoy the festivities. Nandri, Vanakkam.